Music Lounge. In this video, we'll be talking about the guitar and its parts. We have different types of guitars. We have electric guitar, acoustic guitar, bass guitar, and so on. This is an acoustic guitar. The reason why it's called an acoustic is it projects the vibrating sound of the strings acoustically through the air. It's also called a plectrum guitar or a steel string guitar, which uses a pick to play. Let's move to the guitar parts. So this is the body of the guitar, and we have the strings. So there's a total of 6 strings on this one, and if you look here, you can see the lines going down. They are called fret wires, and between these fret wires we have the frets, and they are placed on the fretboard. You can see the tuning keys here. They are used to tune the guitar strings. We have the headstock and the bridge. I hope you understood about the guitar and its parts. This is Ashik from Music Lounge. Thank you for watching.